Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing some Bee Swarm Simulator, and I'm just going to continue off where I left off last time, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm just going to start right now. And my friend said oh wait, can you help me with the puff shoe? No, it only has 25 seconds. Never mind. Yeah, I don't care. Let's see my quest now. A bamboo field. Brown bear and panda bear. I'll suffer this whole video. Why not? I don't care. Yeah, I'm joking about that. I'm not suffering. Why do you want me to? Okay, fine. I'll show getting 4,000 pollen in the bamboo field, and that's it. 4,000 honey. Nah, Jit. Okay, now I'm just gonna pause the video for. Well, I'm not gonna pause anymore. I literally hope. Wait, do I have a royal jelly? Please, please. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I got a honeybee! I literally got a honeybee. There's no way. Did you see that? Did you see that? I got a honeybee. There's no way I actually got a honeybee. I actually got a honeybee. Oh yeah, and remember that time I'll see you on the other side of the fence? Well, yeah. I don't care, dude. I just got a honeybee. Okay, this honeybee's gonna help me a lot, so yeah. Fine. The suffer montage will start now. I'm literally suffering right now, walking. I'll start the suffer montage once I talk to him. Yeah, that's the amulet, dude. I need to kill 2 randoms. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by I'm gonna keep on collecting this. Beautiful stuff. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, honeybee's OP. I'm just saying, honeybee's OP. He helps a lot when you're outfielding. And now I have like 2 epics every week, which is good, because now I don't have to suffer that much. Well, which I still do have to suffer, because I told my friends that I would suffer. That's 1 minute? Almost 1 minute. Okay, that's 1 minute. That's 1 minute complete on my suffering. I did this from minute 3 to. I'm doing this from minute 3 to. What did he say? What did he just say? You know, I'm just gonna cut it 30 seconds short. I'm cutting it 30 seconds short since I just finished it. Oh, by the way, guys, I'll just continue the suffer montage since I'm walking there. No, dude, the new update just came out. Dude, the new update just came out. Okay. Wait, before I go there, I'm also gonna buy a new thing to collect honey because why not? Okay, I'm finally buying the vacuum, guys. I'm finally buying the vacuum. There, the vacuum has been bought. I don't know. Okay, so the montage has finished. I'm going to pause the video for a little bit, and then I'll see you on the other side. Okay, guys, I'm literally trying to get stuff from Spider-Field. Oh, wait, I can get a new backpack. Let's go. So I'm gonna go get that new backpack just right about now. Let me just finish this. Sure, in 1 second, dude. Okay, so let's just go buy it. Wait, is that what you recommend for me to buy that? To buy the new you know what? I don't care. I'll just buy it. I'll just buy the canister. It holds 10,000 honey. Why not? Okay, so I'm not gonna suffer for that much. Wait, a random honey storm? No, it's random. Dude, this is a random honey storm, dude. That's rare. But you know what's rarer? A random meteorite shower. Okay, you know what? I don't care. Let's just go up and then get that one last bit. 200 from Spider-Field, then yeah, you're still seeing me suffering right now, so you're welcome. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Black Bear, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna buy another egg because I kind of need to, and then let's see what I get. I'm probably gonna get a basic bee, but I don't care. Yep, basic bee. I don't care though. Oh yeah, now the basic bee is sad, but I don't care about it. I do care. Kind of. Not much. Okay, not at all. I'm just gonna continue working on my quests, and this time I'll leave it on. I'll just leave it on. Well, yeah, we'll just leave it on. I don't care. Because I kind of have to show that I'm not using any codes or whatever. I don't use codes. Those are for endgame or something. Oh, good. He's back in. Nice, I still... Yeah, I don't... Okay, time to just... Yay, now I get to go onto the blue flower field. There. Okay, I'm giving you some extra time of suffering. You're welcome. Okay, I'll get all my pets later. I might do some off-camera grind. Well, not off-camera. Well, yeah, I'm doing some. I'm not gonna do off-camera grinding today for now because I gotta finish this video. I've already spent like a lot of time on this video before. I've spent lots of time. I spend lots of time recording these videos, so I just want to finish it. Dude, what is this? Okay, time to suffer a little bit more. Oh wait, the rare sprout's up there. Okay, just wait for me 1 second while I get this rare sprout so I can get some stuff. I'll just leave it in the video, why not? Well, actually, it's a rare sprout. I'll never be able to collect this. Hey, can you help me with this rare sprout? 1 second. Okay, so I just decided not to go for the rare sprout because it'll take too much time. And then why not just start doing this? So I can finish this task. Dude, where is my honeybee? Dude, do your job. Oh my god, you're not doing this. I'm going to. Come on, honeybee. Come on, honeybee. Make your magic. Honeybee, do your magic. Do your magic. No, that's not your magic, honeybee. That's not your magic, honeybee. The other magic. Yeah, that one. That one. That one. Thank you, honeybee. I know. I'm gonna join you. Let me just finish this one quest to see what I get. Oh, 2,000, 3,000. Oh, come on. Yeah? Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, I just finished that quest. I got nothing that well. I guess I'll see you in the next video. So, bye!